Alright, hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about basics of candlestick reading. First of all, let's define what candlestick is. Sa online, marami kayong makikita definitions and I would recommend you to do further research. And the best place to learn are from sources like Investopedia, na napakadaming source when it comes to understanding investing, hindi lang about trading, but you could also learn a lot about the stock market, bonds, commodities, and all other kinds of asset class, and even business, diba, and terminologies. So yung definition natin about candlesticks won't be based on the textbook. However, this is something based on my own understanding about candlesticks. So for me, candlesticks are tools, or as simple as tool in the market. Kagaya lang siya ng mga indicators na nakikita natin. If alam niyo yung mga indicators, for say RSI, mga MACD, same lang din sila. Tools lang din si candlestick. Kasi si candlestick, ito lang yung isa sa popular Pero maraming ways to understand price. Pwedeng yung mga line graph, pwedeng yung mga Heiken ba yun? Heiken something. Para siyang candlesticks lang din. Pero yung mga kulay nung bullish and bearish niya is mas sunod-sunod. Iba lang yung itsura niya. Tapos, pwede kang gumamit ng mga order flow naman. So, which is yung common na nakikita ko na bago. Ayun. So, next is, yun, we define candlestick as a tool to read the market and to understand price, market structure, and patterns. So, candlesticks will give you a lot of information. Kapag natutunan mo siya, marirealize mo na ang dami palang pwede kong ma-extract na information sa candlesticks alone, 'di ba? Kaya nga nag-exist yung mga traders na nakafocus lang sa candles, which is yung price action traders na hindi sila gumagamit ng indicators, purely price action lang talaga.